Hi, this is Engineer Khalid, and today I will explain you how to write a method statement. Whatever method statement you are going to make, the procedure are same and the contents are same. This is a cover sheet for method statement. In this cover sheet, write the method statement name, your project name, client name, consultant name, and contractor name. In each method statements, the system to write a method statement and the contents are same general contents. Just you have to write some details about these contents. There are 12 contents. These are the 12 contents in your method statement. In the content page, write the same 12 contents, and then we will discuss one by one all the 12 contents. So number one, scope of work. Write something about the scope of work. That this method statement describes the materials, plant, application, quality, procedure for this particular work. Write something about this work. And the responsibility section, write the same persons which I have written in here, and write some words, more lines about their roles and responsibility in this particular method statement. And this is a very important description of work. You have to write all the detailed steps in the method statement which you are going to execute. You have to write in details. Number 4, labor, plant, and materials. You have to write all the labors, plants, materials, machineries which you are going to use in this method statement. Just describe here. In the materials section, refer all the approved materials, which material you are going to use in the method statement. Write the materials name and their reference numbers. For the supervene arrangement, write the same word which I have written here for the supervene arrangement, and if you can add more lines, it's good. And then for the quality control, these are the same lines which I have written. Use the same line that the quality control engineer will ensure the work is executed as per approved method statements, materials, etc. For the health and safety requirements, write the same words which I have written here, that the safety officer will give toolbox talks to all the workers, and if you can add more. For the security arrangement, write the same words which I have written here, and if you can add more words as per the method statement requirements. And this is the contractual obligations. Write the same words, that after completion of work, inspection request will be forwarded and no further step will be executed until the first activity is approved. And these are the reference documents. Write here all the reference documents which you are going to use in the method statement: material approval, drawing approvals, specifications. And this is the record dossiers. These are the documents which you are going to use in the work and the method statement. Write these names and attach all these formats as a record dossier. So that's all. This is what the method statement as a general guidelines. You can make method statement in this way. If you like this video, please subscribe and like so that you can get my other videos.